Listen, the way traditional hedge funds operate today, it's broken. You're stuck dealing with outdated systems that slow you down, hide risks, and keep you in the dark about your real exposure. You know this pain. The endless spreadsheets, the delays in getting info, trusting someone else's numbers when the stakes couldn't be higher. It's infuriating, and honestly, it's costing you money and control. You're racing markets with your eyes half closed. That suffocating lack of transparency, it's a luxury you can't afford anymore. Now, blockchain isn't just some buzzword. It's the damn game changer you've been waiting for. It tears down the walls of secrecy and middlemen that have been choking this industry for decades. Imagine every trade, every asset, every movement recorded on a ledger that everyone can verify instantly. No questions, no waiting. This is real-time accuracy baked into the system. No more guessing. No more trust me, the fund's fine. You get the truth raw and unfiltered. Here's the kicker. Blockchain flips cost structures on their head. All those layers of clearance, reconciliation, auditing, they vanish or shrink to almost nothing. That's money back into your fund's pocket. Money you can use to back better trades, to innovate strategies, to move faster than everyone else who's still stuck in the old way of doing things. It's ruthless efficiency. And in this market, efficiency wins, period. But it's not just about transparency and cutting costs. The real power here is the ability to tokenize assets. That means breaking down those giant, illiquid investments into smaller, tradable pieces that can move freely, instantly, globally. Your fund can finally tap into liquidity where it never had before. Think unlocking billions of dollars sitting frozen in old-school structures. The old world loved complexity because it created barriers. Blockchain tears those down and hands you control. You can trade with anyone, anywhere, without waiting weeks for approvals or legal gymnastics. And accountability? It's built into the code. No more shady valuations or fiddling with numbers behind closed doors. Every move is recorded, irreversible, traceable by design. That's not just cleaner accounting, that's a culture shift. As a fund leader or investor, you can demand that kind of integrity. It's non-negotiable if you want to build trust in a skeptical market. Your LPs aren't blind anymore, and that's how you build long-term relationships that survive any storm. Look, integrating blockchain isn't a walk in the park. Forget the hype, this is hard work, but the ones who push first get the edge of a lifetime, running leaner, smarter, with stronger investor confidence. Start by demanding transparency in your operations on every level. Look for platforms that give you end-to-end visibility with cryptographic proof. Stop tolerating black boxes wrapped in fancy PowerPoints. Move aggressively to tokenize a piece of your portfolio, even if it's a pilot. This is your learning ground. You'll see the benefits, the risks, and build the muscle to scale. Don't wait for everyone else to figure it out. Those who hesitate will get left behind, watched from the sidelines as the revolution picks up speed. Trust is the currency of alternative asset management, and blockchain is the way to earn it back. You're not just managing assets anymore, you're building a system free from the friction and secrecy that plague this space. That's how you turn frustration into power. That's how you become someone who shapes the future, not someone trapped in how things used to work. So don't sit there. The shift is happening now. Take control, get blockchain in your playbook before it becomes table stakes. The old guard won't just hand you this opportunity, you have to take it. Stop wishing for clarity and make it your reality. Your investors, your partners, your future, they all depend on you doing exactly that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.